Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Jayavarshini, and the topic I have chosen for presentation is wireless power transmission. Most of us would have gone through a situation where we had to plug in multiple devices like mobile phones, laptops, etc. using a single extension box. This would ultimately end in a tangled mess of wires, right? What if you would power all your gadgets without wires? That would be really great. In this presentation, let's see the concept of wireless power transmission. What is wireless power transmission? Wireless power transmission is the transmission of electrical energy from a power source to an electrical load without conductors. Wireless power transmission is useful in cases where interconnecting wires are inconvenient, hazardous, or impossible. This idea is actually not new. Wireless power transmission takes back to the year 1901, where Nikola Tesla used the principle of electrodynamics induction to transfer electromagnetic energy without the need of wires to construct Wardenclyffe Tower to transmit power between America and Europe, but was destroyed by US government in 1917. How does it work? Wireless power transmission uses an electromagnetic field of a certain frequency as the medium of transfer. This frequency depends on the range of transmission. In order to transmit power wirelessly, a source and a receiver is required. The source and receiver must be in resonance condition. That is, the natural frequency of the two systems must match. A transmission coil powered by an electric source produces a magnetic field around. When a second coil is connected to the receiver, is induced in the same field with the same resonant frequency, electric current flows through it. You must have heard about this principle. That's called electromagnetic induction. Electrical vehicle charging. One of the recent applications of wireless power transmission is electrical vehicle charging. Example, electric car. In such a system, the distance between the transmitter and receiver is minimum. So it is called near field wireless power transfer system. Wireless charging system for an electric car includes two parts. A charging plate which sits on the floor or could even be underneath a floor, and a power receiver which is built onto the car. Both of them need to be within a certain range to facilitate charging. Near field wireless power transmission system are of two types, inductive and capacitive charge. Inductive wireless power transfer uses coils that are coupled through magnetic fields, while capacitive wireless power transfer uses plates that are coupled through electric fields. In both cases, an electronic unit which comprises of a high frequency inverter and rectifier with semiconductor devices is the enabling technology. Technologies for wireless charging. The technologies for wireless charging can be magnetic induction, radio frequency, optical or conduction. Magnetic induction converts electrical energy to magnetic energy. It allows transmission over an air gap and is typically short to mid-range. Magnetic induction has two categories, namely magnetic induction coupling and magnetic resonance coupling. In inductive coupling, the source drives a primary coil, creating a sinusoidal varying magnetic field which induces a voltage across terminals of secondary coil, thus transferring power to load. Magnetic resonance coupling is more advantageous since it has extended range and potential to support multiple receivers. For radio frequency or microwave frequency, the parabolic dish focuses radio waves, which are typically long range wave, towards intended target. For an optical or infrared, the laser light is focused on photovoltaic cells that convert light energy to power. In conduction, the power transfer occurs due to metallic contact between transmitter and receiver. Advantages of wireless power transmission. The advantages of wireless power transmission are: it is wireless, a number of devices can be charged at a time, electrically safe, waterproof, high power output, low maintenance, and charging is convenient. Limitations of wireless power transmission. The limitations of wireless power transmission are more power consumption, low efficiency, complex circuitry, more costly, slow charging, harmful magnetic radiations emitted, and high cost of manufacturing. Conclusion. Wireless power transmission is the future technology because plugging in and mechanical contacts are a weak technology from the past that does not fit to a high level of automation, smart products, and ease of use. The wireless power transmission technology has improved sustainability but still consists of various drawbacks which need to be researched upon in order to commercialize it. Thank you.